Have you ever felt it? That quiet ache in your chest, like the world's just too goddamn big and you're just a ghost passing through them. I've carried my heart in a suitcase, left pieces of it scattered in every corner of the world. Love, I had it, lost it, missed it, destroyed it. Life, lived it to the bone until it hollowed me out. I spent so much time looking down at the strings, the road, the bottle, I forgot to look up. The show's over and all cause a lie, but hey, time slips through your fingers faster than you think. You gotta live it loud and loathe like the world might end tomorrow. Because when the lights dim and the curtain falls, we all simply just fade out.